Spoštovani zbrani, lepo pozdravljeni na območni reviji plesnih skupin Plesne migarije 2026. Na današnji reviji se bodo predstavile plesne skupine iz območnih izpostav Javnega sklada za kulturne dejavnosti Republike Slovenije, Ormož, Ptuj, Lenart in Slovenska Bistrica, kar predstavlja paleto plesnih zgodb, vsebin in oblik. Razen zbranih plesalcev, njihovih mentorjev, ravnateljev osnovnih šol in staršev ter drugih spremljevalcev in ostalih, torej ljubiteljev plesa, med nami še posebej pozdravljam strokovno spremljevalko Tino Valentan, ki se nahaja na balkonu. Lepo pozdravljeni, gospa Tina, med nami. Zaploskajmo malo, tako. Tina Valentan je plesalka, koreografinja in pedagoginja sodobnega plesa, ki kot strokovna selektorica že od leta 2011 sodeluje pri območnih plesnih revijah v organizaciji Javnega sklada za kulturne dejavnosti Republike Slovenije, kjer spremlja in izbira kakovostne plesne miniature za nadaljne predstavitve in predvsem strokovnim vpogledom podpira razvoj plesne ustvarjalnosti mladih, a tudi odraslih. Ples se uprizarja pred našimi očmi kot minljiv, spremenljiv, nestabilen, zmuzljiv, a našim čutom, mislim, videnju in vedenju daje določene pomene. Območne revije so namenjene pregledu plesnih aktivnosti otroških, mladinskih in odraslih plesnih skupin ter posameznikov, delujočih v kulturnih društvih, zavodih in šolah, kjer se ukvarjajo z različnimi plesnimi pristopi in zvrstmi, vendar jim je cilj predstaviti ples na umetniškem nivoju oziroma kot odrsko umetnost. V to se bomo lahko danes prepričali. Kar 18 plesnih točk bomo doživeli danes tukaj v Ormožu in prva se nam predstavlja plesna skupina osnovne šole Velika nedelja. Naslov njihove plesne miniature je Reka, koreografija Ines Vrbnjak. Ines Vrbnjak pa je tudi mentorica plesne skupine osnovna šola Velika nedelja.
Bister in zelen, sramežljiv in hladan. Visoko v skali prišel bi na plan. Zrazel bil potok, šumeč in krasan. Sivi kanjon bi me skril sebi v dlan. Na mojem produ čofotanje otrok, izbiral bi pesek z njihovih nog, izpiral zlato bi in mu verjel. Včasih bi koga dol z mosta ujel. Reka, 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 reka. Razumel bi, kako se zaljubita riba in rak. na moji gladini, prepoznal bi se vsak. In na bregovih bi stali ljudje, v cevu pa ovce in volci. Reka, 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 bister in zelen, sramežljiv in hladan, visoko v skali, prišel bi na plan.
Naslednja se predstavlja mlajša plesna skupina osnovne šole Miklavž pri Ormožu. Koreografija avtorice Mojce Kovačič nosi naslov Mavrični ples prijateljstva. Mentorica Mojca Kovačič.
Freezing outside, I feel my skin tight. My coat is inside. While I look up at you, I treat your plane right. But when you're in tonight, tell me when is the next time I'll run into you? It sounds insane, right? I'll take the same flight. Wait at your bedside. I'll lunch right next to you. I'm going stateside, but I'll see you tonight. Tell me how did a girl like me get into you? Hands up, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands up, Gabriella, la la. Back off from my fella, Gabriella, back off, Gabriella, la la. 'Cause you can have anyone else you wanted to. I'm begging you. Hands off, Gabriella, Gabriella, hands off, Gabriella, la la, la la la. Skin on a letter, I bet you taste just like the summer under the covers. Me in the middle, overprotective of my lover. You made me wonder, like, ooh, if you made all of these fantasies come true, what would you do? Like, ooh, you could have anyone else you wanted to, but I'm begging you. Monday, I was dreaming about the Tuesday, I was waiting at the phone. 2 days wasn't new from you. Now I can't say, oh baby, I was getting bored. Thursday, I was losing interest. Friday, you were being cool. weekend, you already missed it. I was moving on, cause you moved too fast. Sometimes I'm alone, staring out my window. The moon makes you seem close to mine. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Now I found another crush. And lush life giving me a rush. Had one chance to make me blush. Second time is one to let. Now I found another crush. And lush life giving me a rush. Had one chance to make me blush. Second time is one to let. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. Now I found another crush. Lush life giving me a rush. Had one chance to make me blush. Second time is one to let. Now I found another crush. Lush life giving me a rush. Had one chance to make me blush. Second time is one to let. Oh, baby, baby, oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine, baby, 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 oh, like baby, 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 no, like baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine, for you, I would have done whatever, and I just can't believe we ain't together, and I wanna play it cool, but I'm losing you, I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you any ring, and I'm in pieces, baby fix me, and just shake me till you wake me from this bad dream, I'm going down, 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 down. Pieces that you gotta.
Put in Chanel. Put in Chanel.
They say love me, you're for me Chanel. They say love me, you're for me Chanel. They say love me, you're for me Chanel. They say love me, you're for me Chanel. They say love me, you're for me Chanel. Say love me, for me Chanel. I'm a big dog baby and a dog baby. Self-made bitch, yeah, you will upgrade me. Waste like crazy, man, don't chase me. Say you want to see me, where you gonna take me?
Put in Chanel. Put in Chanel.
They say love me, you're for me Chanel. Say love me, for me Chanel.
Put in Chanel. Put in Chanel.
They say love me, you're for me Chanel. They say love me, you're for me Chanel.
Mlajša plesna skupina osnovne šole Ivankovci. Koreografija, ki jo je pripravila Maja Novak, nosi naslov Ena energija, mnogo poti. Maja Novak je tudi mentorica mlajše skupine osnovne šole Ivankovci. Mlajša plesna skupina osnovne šole Ormož. Dan klovnes je naslov njihove koreografije, za katero je poskrbela mentorica in tudi plesalke. Mentorica skupine je Dušanka Feguš. Plesna skupina osnovne šole Miklavž pri Ormožu, podružnica Kok. Koreografija, ki jo je pripravila Mojca Kovačič, nosi naslov Ko si upam. Mentorica Mojca Kovačič. Plesna skupina osnovne šole Benedikt. Koreografija, ki so jo pripravili mentorica in plesalke, nosi naslov Ponos in ranljivost. Mentorica skupine Valerija Pernat.
Got me to stay. Said that you need me. Stop 'cause it's words don't ever mean it. No, they don't. Listen hard to me. There'll be a day I'll be more creative, a poetic way to say I'm not leaving to the world, not to your face. I'll take my pride, stand in for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always will. I know that I look stubborn and patient, but you wrote the book. I just took a page out to be loved and nothing more. And you kept your word. Do you want a medal? The way that someone leaves this world. So just levels to me now. Oh, to me now. I'll take my pride, stand in for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always will. I'll be here the whole night. I'll be here 'cause I can. Yeah, I know you don't care. I know nothing could matter. God, I wish something mattered to you. I'll take my pride, stand in for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. Well, I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always, always, I always will.
Plesni center Mambo, jazz mladinke. Bound and Motion je naslov koreografije, ki jo je pripravila mentorica Amalija Mlinarič.
Now and then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. I told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. But that was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found that we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over. She didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened, but now we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and I feel so up. No, you didn't have to stoop so low, have your friends collect your records and change your number. You said I don't need that though, now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Now and then I think of all the times you screwed me over, but it made believing it was always something that I'd done. But I don't wanna live that way, leading into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know.
You didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened, but now we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger and I feel so up. You didn't have to stoop so low, have your friends collect your records and change your number. I said I don't need that though, now you're just somebody that I used to know. Somebody I used to know. Somebody that I used to know. Somebody I used to know. Somebody that I used to know.
Plesna skupina osnovne šole dr. Franja Žgeča, Dornava. Ko zgodovina pleše je naslov koreografije, ki sta jo pripravili Anika Kolednik in Ema Janžekovič. Mentorica skupine je Doroteja Draškovič. Plesna skupina osnovne šole pohorskega odreda Slovenska Bistrica. Koreografija, ki nosi naslov How do I say goodbye, so pripravili mentorica in plesalke. Mentorica skupine je Urška Tič.
And if somebody hurts you, I wanna fight, but my hand's been broken one too many times. So I use my voice, I'll be so worse, they always win, but I know I lose. And I sing a song that it be just stars, but I sang along to another heart. And I wanna cry, I wanna learn to love, but all my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up on another love, another love. All my tears have been used up. Oh, say goodbye, someone who's been with me for my whole damn life. You gave me my name and the color of your eyes. See your face when I look at mine. So how do I say goodbye? There's no way you could ever let me down. Gonna steal some time and start again. You'll always be my closest friend. And someday we're gonna make it out. Just hold the light, just hold the light high, high. So how do I say goodbye to someone who's been with me for my whole damn life? You gave me my name and the color of your eyes. I see your face when I look at mine. So how do I say goodbye? So how do I say
Taja Rotman in Lija Žnidar iz osnovne šole Benedikt sta pripravili koreografijo z naslovom Za upanje. Mentorica Valerija Pernat.
Thought I couldn't breathe without you. I'm inhaling. Thought I couldn't see without your perfect vision. Thought I couldn't last without you, but I'm lasting. Thought that I would die without you, but I'm living. Thought that I would fade without you, but I'm on top. Thought it would be over, but now, but it won't stop. Thought that I would self-destruct, but I'm still here, even in my head.
Zoja Kavčič in Erin Muršak iz osnovne šole Benedikt se predstavljata s koreografijo, ki nosi naslov Vedno ob tebi. Mentorica Valerija Pernat.
Že dolgo se poznava, vse skrivnosti, ki jih imava, si še zdaj takoj zaupava. Včasih skupaj sva jokali in za fanti vzdihovali, a prag mladosti prestopili sva. Včasih greva kam na kavo, govoriva kot zastavo, kot da komaj se spoznali sva. Nič se ni še spremenilo, je zaupanje utrdilo, že s pogledom se razumeva. Ti, ki se še smeješ z mano, ti, ki mi ponujaš ramo, ko življenje me nervira, ti si ta, ki me podpira. Ti odganjaš slabe misli, ti podarjaš mi zamisli, sama ne poznam se kot ne ti, ironija to se zdi.
Starejša plesna skupina osnovne šole Ivankovci. Koreografijo, ki nosi naslov Prepletene, je pripravila Maja Novak, ki je tudi mentorica skupine.
There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls, and window sills, tables and chairs warmed by all of the dust. This is a place where I don't feel alone. its knees. By the cracks of his skin, I climbed to the top. I climbed the tree to see the world. When the guys came around to blow me down,
Starejša plesna skupina osnovne šole Ormož je pripravila odrsko postavitev Ujeta v življenju. Koreografija Sanja Miškovič in plesalke, mentorica skupine Sanja Miškovič.
Found a way, yeah. But you never go away. So I guess I gotta stay now. Oh, I hope someday I'll make it out of there, even if it takes all night or 100 years. Need a place to hide, but I can't find one near. Wanna feel alive outside. I can't find my fear. Reason to love me, hide me, glass, my mind of stone. Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home. Walking out of town,
looking for a better place. Something's on my mind, always in my empty space. But I know someday I'll make it. I'll feel even if it takes all night. Your years need a place to hide, but I can't find one that wanna feel alive outside. I can't find my fear.
Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone.
Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home. Welcome home.
Arijana Kapš-Rokavec iz osnovne šole Benedikt se predstavlja s koreografijo Jaz. Koreografijo je tudi sama pripravila, mentorica Valerija Pernat.
Right, make me sweat. I'm gonna make you lose your breath. I'm gonna make you lose your breath. I'm gonna make you lose your breath. Right, make me sweat. I'm gonna make you lose your breath. I'm gonna make you lose your breath. I'm gonna make you lose your breath. Make it happen now. Know you wanna hit that. Got a little kick back. Better know who you messing with. I can make this matching. Sit. Make it spit all that cash quick. Hey, I'm too busy with this bag though. Baby, grossa. Coming to the after. Smell like rosa. Put it in your mouth. Deliciosa. Да gostoso.
Wrecking like I'm demon, keep your compliment. My drip so sentimental, mental, misapprove it, heavy metal that I said.
The way they addicted, could have predicted ambition, bring friction to your jurisdiction. Will they be fiction, lacking conviction? Baby, bite the bullet, bet 'em take your shot. Photo shoot. Photo shoot.
Take a shot, photo shoot. Just snap it, flick it, cause we
Yeah, we do this all day. Wicked but we don't play. 다 관심 없고 신경 꺼내 내가 길 갈게. See me Medusa. 날 벗은 건 freezer. Gotta pop on and show what they're really not ready. Be scared when we pull up.
허세는 난 서로 근데 아이체인 걸어 여기 돈다 털어 착한 척 지겨 뺏겨 파인 나 블랙판에 불 질러버려 그래 목숨 걸어 떨고 싶어 너무 더
Shook, pussy threat, telling pussies breaking sweats. You die, stand up, just like you can stand us. How you jump, how you lay, yo, we answer to the call. Lights, camera, action. Take your shot. Photo shoot. Photo shoot. Take your shot. Photo shoot. Just snap it, flick it.
Zoja Kavčič iz osnovne šole Benedikt je pripravila koreografijo V iskanju sebe. Mentorica Valerija Pernat.
Well, I guess it's been a while since I've seen the sunshine, since I have smiled. And me, who's so well versed, is at a loss for words. Forgot what it's like to just feel okay. Praying for the day when there is no more rain. And I don't wanna do anything but cry. Oh, and I don't wanna do anything but cry. Oh, I'm so low. I'm almost to the bottom. Oh, nowhere to go. Even my soul has left my body. Oh, and I don't wanna do anything but cry. Oh, and I don't wanna do anything but cry. And I don't wanna do anything but cry. And I don't wanna do anything but cry.
Erin Muršak iz osnovne šole Benedikt se predstavlja s koreografijo z naslovom Srečna sem. Mentorica Valerija Pernat.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news, talking this and that. Give me all you got and don't hold it back. I should probably warn you I'll be just fine. alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. Love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, take it now, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. Love is too high, bring me down, can't nothing bring me down. I said, take it now.
Plesni center Mambo Ptuj, jazz članice. Koreografija Neje Gajzer nosi naslov Ko odsev spregovori. Mentorica Neja Gajzer.
True, I will rescue.
Plesna skupina Gea DPD Svoboda Ptuj je pripravila koreografijo z naslovom Naša. Koreografija Maja Butolen Zorko, Staša Debič Perica in Ivan Mijačevič. Mentorica skupine Staša Dabič Perica.
Morje in gore, gorje in more, Slovenija. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, it's
Tako pa smo zaključili naše današnje srečanje in sicer s plesno skupino Geja DPD Svoboda Ptuj. Tako v nadaljevanju bomo podelili še priznanja, tako kot običajno Javni sklad za kulturne dejavnosti Republike Slovenije vsem sodelujočim podeli priznanja, ki jih prevzamejo mentorji. Tako da naprošam na oder, naj pride Barbara Podgorelec, vodja območne izpostave Ormož, ki je bila tudi organizator današnjega dne, da podari oziroma preda priznanja. In na oder najprej kličemo Mojco Kovačič, ki je mentorica mlajše plesne skupine osnovne šole Miklavž pri Ormožu in plesne skupine osnovne šole Miklavž pri Ormožu, podružnica KOK. Priznanje prejme tudi Maja Novak, mentorica mlajše plesne skupine osnovne šole Ivanjkovci in starejše plesne skupine osnovne šole Ivanjkovci. Priznanje prejme tudi Ines Vrbnjak, mentorica plesne skupine osnovne šole Velika nedelja. Dušanka Feguš, mentorica mlajše plesne skupine osnovne šole Ormož. Valerijo Pernat vabimo tudi na oder, ki je mentorica plesne skupine osnovne šole Benedikt. Je tudi mentorica Taji Rotman in Lili Žnider, ter Zoji Kavčič, Elin Murščak, Arjani Kapš Rokavec in Zoji Kavčič. Vsi so z osnovne šole Benedikt, Valerija Pernat torej. Na oder vabimo tudi Amalijo Mlinarič, ki je mentorica plesne skupine Jazz Mladinke iz plesnega centra Mambo Ptuj. Priznanje prejme Doroteja Draškovič, mentorica plesne skupine osnovne šole dr. Franja Žgeča Dornava. Na oder vabimo tudi Urško Tič, mentorico plesne skupine osnovne šole Pohorskega odreda Slovenska Bistrica. Sanja Miškovič bo prevzela priznanje starejše plesne skupine osnovne šole Ormož, katere je tudi mentorica. Na oder vabimo tudi Neo Gajzer, mentorico plesne skupine jazz članice plesnega centra Mambo Ptuj. In za konec na oder vabimo še Stašo Dabič Perica, mentorico plesne skupnosti Geja DPD Svoboda Ptuj. Tako fotograf Ciril Ambrož bo poskrbel še za skupinsko sliko, ki nam bo ostala torej v spomin na današnje srečanje plesnih skupin. Sicer pa vas naj obvestim, da so prireditev omogočile občina Ormož, občina Središče ob Dravi in občina Sveti Tomaž ter program dela Javnega sklada za kulturne dejavnosti Republike Slovenije območna izpostava Ormož. Območno izpostavo Ormož podpirajo tudi nekateri pokrovitelji, in sicer podjetje Puklavec Family Wines, podjetje Fiposor, računovodstvo Plečko, računovodski servis Istok Rakovec SP in gostilna Ozmec. Tako mislim, da je bilo vse povedano, vse videno. Upajmo, da ste uživali in da se srečamo, oziroma želim vam seveda prijetne vse te dni, celo leto bo trajalo, da se bomo imeli možnost srečati na plesnih migarijah 2027. Za danes pa hvala za pozornost in srečno.
Hej! No.